Minister Biren announces that Cherry Blossom Festival and Flower Festival at Mao will be an integral part of the Sangai Festival. Minister Radhe Shyam stresses importance of NCC in shaping the future of the youth. Minister Karam Shyam takes part in cyclothon to spread the message of importance of conserving fossil fuel. And school principal shot dead in Kangpokpi. Cookie Students Organization urges government to arrest the culprits in 24 hours. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren has announced that Cherry Blossom Festival and Flower Festival at Mao will be an integral part of the Sangai Festival from next year. The Chief Minister made the announcement while inaugurating the third Flower Festival and Manipur's first Cherry Blossom Festival at Mao Gate today.
Manipur State ki tourism center tourism sport amoina recognition di khudak tagi adum piragani haina madumadi maugi selina usai thamjarame athangi lakada ba sahi dagi di sigi flower festival kam cherry blossom festival se part of Sangai festival oiragani madugi asangba paisa nuksa state government tourism department na loina puthogani haina madumai laukhok charamuge. I will take the responsibility maramdi Mao is the gateway of Manipur. The Maugi is in Lausina suffer to river one river pon mayam say Masigi Yengaga Lamfilgi Hananas Hanan at Oraba Mau Kaitil do Handaki walking season Sida Crore Amadagina Aniva Wisangva Mau Market Saragani.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhe Shyam today stressed the importance of NCC in shaping the future of the young students. Speaking at the 17th NCC Day celebration on the NCC office at DM College campus, Minister Radhe Shyam stated a hangar will be built at the Imphal International Airport and Air Wing cadets of NCC will be provided training there. He also stressed that the training provided by NCC will help the youth in their future life. Radhe Shyam said the NCC camps provided the students a big opportunity to meet, interact and learn new things from one another. And NCC cadets should learn character building, teamwork and leadership and become a good human being. The minister also said one should not forget one's past and there must be a link between the past, present and future. Group Commander, NCC Headquarters, Brigadier Vivek Sharma, MPSC Chairman Retired General K. Himalaya and several officials and individuals attended the celebration. NCC cadets took out a march past and presented battle inoculation and cultural program at the event. Army Wing cadets display aero modeling. Dr. P. Rai Kumar Memorial Best Cadet Award was also presented to the best cadet.
Ground condition, lot of ports are there. We need to do something about the ground and administrative support. Then infrastructure ka phajana laitaba awar pa yam laiba will look into it. Transparent posting is a part of an employee and we meet to part and we part to meet. So you can't stop transparent posting, but a policy has to be in place. Then I completely agree. We'll do something about it. Please come with the solutions. Please don't come only with the problems, with the solutions.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today flagged off a cyclothon to spread the message of importance of conserving fossil fuels. The minister said he will cycle to work from his quarters to Old Secretariat every Thursday. Karamshyam stated that inculcating any good habit from anyone is not a bad idea. He appealed to people to adopt habits that are eco-friendly and pollution-free and use bicycles at least once a week to conserve fuels and boost the economy of the state. Shyam said if cycling becomes popular among the people, the government will make special lanes for cyclists. He said people should take this collective responsibility to use fuel judiciously and make fuel conservation an integral part of their lifestyle. The cyclothon was organized by public sector, oil and gas corporations and Petroleum Conservation Research Association under the aegis of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas on the theme Go Car Free, Go Carefree.
Only leaders must be ideal. Leaders ideal must be impractical. Practical Adi madugi matungda miam sidim automatically adum ilak papone. Aduna ngasi akoina tawjari batawak sina maram oidana Manipur da koi narol sina school da college da satpada adi cycle tongaga satpagi hainabi duma phawbiyo aduga mama mapa singna adi angang sing thinba khotpa se yaningoi adi masi topiyo aisu chahi se adum khara laisala bani adu cycle thauraga hoje adi malom nagi sibo lakwa kesamba bu lakanda inaha oithwe nei wakhal da khalle ba aduna sigi khudong chaba se akoi lamdam sigin harol na lomina si.
Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi reiterated that the Congress party cannot accept the centre granting financial and cultural autonomy of NSC and IM in an attempt to reach a conclusion to the framework agreement. Ibobi was speaking at a protest held at Kakching Ibudho, Nauhal Ahanba, Koribhaba, Sanglin as a part of the MPCC protest demanding disclosure of the details of the framework agreement. He said giving financial and cultural autonomy to Nagas in Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh is the seed to a divided Manipur. He warned that if the Nagas are granted an administrative autonomy, it will be like another government within the state. Ibobi said the Congress party has repeatedly urged the BJP government to clarify the stand of the Naga People's Front when the integrity of Manipur is being challenged through media. He said there is no point in Congress being a part of drafting committee until their demand is met.
Nagaland की NPF तो ना अमनी अखोई मणिपुर की NPF थी अखोई सरकार उजिक सरकार पाइमिनरी मणिपुर काई वह कहे न बा NSC IM ने डिमांड तौर पदा अखोई दी याब सुअम मोये ना NPF तगिरा नत्रगा BJP तगिरा मणिपुर की NPF अखोई न उजिक सरकार पाइमिनरी बसे मोई दी यारे मणिपुर काहेन बदा अखोई सुक्या याबंग मोय अदुसिक प्रिपेयर तौरिबा मेमोरेंडम से NPF से अखोई सोई तौरनी अखोई पुलप कांग्रेस सु कैसु यावना BJP यावना प्राइम मिनिस्टर उनरुसी अखोई यारे ना BJP ने नत्रग NPF ने सेंगदोरगदि अखोई होरेन जो दुम यावगने बा अखोई मसी वाफम सि सेंगदोक पिउ हाइबने बा अखोइना नागालैंड की NPF तुना अमनी.
Former Deputy Chief Minister and Nungba MLA Gai Kangam said the Congress will appreciate if the claim of the BJP-led government that the framework agreement will not affect Manipur is true. He said their claim proves that the BJP-led government knows the details of the framework agreement. He also asked the government to reveal the details to the people. Gai Kangam alleged that the BJP-led government is a government who works unconstitutionally. MPCC President TN Haukip, MLAs and Congress workers participated in the sit-in.
BJP की MLA सिंह से ना लोग थोक बदे लाये रहते ना मौके के चमचा में आमा नन इंटाइटी में आमा कांग्रेस वर्कर सिंह लीडर फोक ओइड वर्कर सिंह फोक सिपाही सिंह अमुक मसिंग हैंगत तो तौरी पुनः मासे पुनः मसिदी याम अता अफोंग नरे सरकार से BJP खत की सरकार ओरम ले Manipur Prajak Sarka with the Badon Tawashu, I quite Punama, Mashi, Pangjenchi Sarkar have a say, I quite if I put the Soto, not there, say, Kang people pay. Sarkar Pai by say, I'm a spy name as a pipe and name as a pop, people pay.
Manipuri diaspora from Myanmar who have came to attend the Sangay Festival were accorded a warm welcome by Manipur Cultural Integration Conference MCIC at its office at Thangapat, Mapal. The visitors were also presented with gifts. Yashkul MLA Tej Satyabartha expressed his happiness at their visit to the state. He also said if the Manipuris settled in Myanmar can visit the state often, they will be able to promote and preserve the culture and traditions. Leader of the visiting team, Brajagopal Sharma, said he came to take part in the festival following in the footsteps of his late uncle Kakching Tabam Sundar Gopal Sharma, who was leading the Manipuri diaspora during the Sangay Festival every year. He, however, said he is extremely happy to come to Manipur for the first time to attend the Sangay Festival.
Ngasi maglengbi da iba mayam si yam nungai ujabada adubu mafam duda akhoi na leikiba oilagasu makhoi desu akhoi gi saktam jinga aga thambinaba madumang loina yaba natragasu akhoi culture boiro akhoi chatnabi boiro khaji nga aga thamnaba hotnabada akhoi gi ngasi leiba mayam sina mating pangsinbi ba hai tare lengbi bu khudima yamna nungai jei taramna uchari tungdasu hanjan leptana lakpira kanda akhoi masen gi mali sida hena naksanaraga afaba Manipuri Maitei Jati ma senggatpada akhoi sang yaminasi haiba wafam si ai thongjagi.
Sangay Kunung Festival is enthralling the people with unique art forms of Manipur at the Giving Tree, Matai Luang Shangbam. Cultural songs, dances, folk music, cinema of the state are the highlights of the festival. Artists of Lai Hui Ensemble captivated audience with their graceful and soulful performance on the 5th day of the festival. Besides film, folk music, group and band performances were showcased at the festival. The huge turnout of festival at the festival yesterday proved that people still are enthusiastic about the music and dances of Manipur. Speaking to media persons, Principal Secretary Education S. Vinit Joshi Sharma expressed satisfaction that he was able to witness a festival which is very close to the culture and tradition of the people of Manipur and assured that the government will provide all possible help. Eastern Motors Sinam Pritam said everyone must also support people opening stalls at the festival.
Koina Sangay Kunung Festival sida torise ko di yam nungai bani sida lakpada ngasi ahan bani ekhoi laise sida asigumba thorang tobada mayam na mapan dagi su laklaga dum yengba ya bani culture gi oiro aduga ekhoi gi lyric paba oro ko ate su local gi products tu yam leibani ba asigumba di mathangi chahi dadi asidagi henna achoba level da tordi amuka henna mina mapan dagi laklaga nungai ba phangani
matai mamang lekai da changaga sumaina asungumba khoi khunungi saigi part of the Sangay Festival ga mari lainana sumaina tawroga leirambase yam thajadana yam ongta na masidai sida akhoi bobi hoina sinbi dana with kaino akhoi government of Manipur ga chatmina duna akhoi tourism jibu sakhona na vidamukta sumaina tawrombase yamna Fazaba amadi angakpa moina juthui
yelhongai degi leizaраglaba nat kyoiba saktam sing jagoi sai amadi tradition sing asi festival lakpa matam aduga mari leinaba event sing ba matam da taning sing nabagum uri masi festival sungpang mangpang thoktragadi aduga mari leinaba thoram sing sindragadi masi ekhoina chawkharan bangam laroidra yokhat pangam laroidra camera person Bisorjit Namairak pangaloinana Impact TV gidamak paudam zari bi Bidyarani Thinguzam Imphal.
A combined team of 42 Assam Rifles and Commando Unit Bishnupur district arrested 2 persons carrying arms and ammunition yesterday. Acting on a tip-off, the team of 42 Assam Rifles led by Major Pravesh Shah and the Commando team led by Head Commandant M. Inautomba arrested the duo during a search operation near the oil pump at Ngangkha Lawai around 6:45 last evening. They are identified as Muhammad Aslam Khan, 28, son of Led Singham, Muhammad Abdul from More Ward number 5 and Labuk Tongbam, Muhammad Nazir Khan, 36, son of Labuk Tongbam, Mohammad Abdul Aziz from Sora Bajar, Mamang, one US-made hand grenade, an Oppo mobile phone, one Nokia N73 mobile phone, along with 3 SIM cards were seized from them. Upon interrogation, the duo revealed that they were taking the US hand grenade to Bishnupur as instructed by Suresh, a UNLF cadre from More to Ril Wangma, Ward number 7. Both of them, along with the seized items, were handed over to Moirang police station. Kakching Commando yesterday arrested a cadre of KYKL in Palil. The arrested cadre is identified as Sarangthim Pritham, 46 years, son of late S. Ibohal from Palil, Mayai Laikai. PRO Police Department in a press release said Pritham works under Major Premjit alias Chinglin of KYKL and was involved in extortion of money from government offices and shops in Palil Bazaar area. One Maruti Alto car LXI bearing registration number AS01AY2583 with one duplicate smart card and incriminating documents were seized from his possession. Police also discovered a sum of rupees 20,000 during a search at his house. The principal of Manipur Baptist Convention Higher Secondary Kangpokpi was shot dead by unknown miscreants in Kangpokpi. The body of the 48-year-old Lenkolan Chongloi from Haizangkul was found yesterday at a place around 3 or 4 kilometers from his house. Kuki Students Organization Sadar Hills has condemned the murder of Lenkolal Chongloi and appealed to the government to arrest the culprits responsible for his murder within 24 hours. The student body also warned that various forms of agitation will be launched with the help of Kuki NP Manipur, Kuki Civil Organization and ATSAM. On hearing the news, the body has been kept at Rims morgue. Representatives of various Kuki civil organizations came to the morgue and condemned the murder. Lenkolan Chongloi had been teaching at Manipur Baptist Convention Higher Secondary Kangpokpi for the last 20 years. On November 24th, he went out to look after his cattle but failed to return home. The next day, some people from the village went to look for him and found his body with a bullet wound under his arm. Kuki Students Organization alleged that he was shot at point-blank range.
Masi pung ahum degi magi san iroi gumba thiba thokpani asida asigumba thodok si thokbani kanana hatbra kari oibra kanana su khangde oya principal ama oiba Mr. Lenkolal Chongloi hatba misi state government athuba matamda within 24 hours manungda puthok pidradi egoi Kangpokpi district CSO na kanba agitation toragani.
The two-day National Conference on Palliative Care, Palicon 2017, concluded today at the Conference Hall of Indian Medical Association, IMA, Lamphil. The conference, jointly organized by Palliative Care Society, Imphal and IMA Manipur State Chapter, was held with an aim to provide special medical care to people with serious chronic illness that cannot be cured and to provide relief from the symptoms and stress of the illness. Speaking at the conference, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo said the Health Department is working towards introducing palliative care program under the National Health Mission. He reiterated that a nodal officer of the palliative care program has been already appointed and the department will start training program on palliative care by March next year.
Masimpung phana bidongta yakoi punjinarga yakoi gi national rehab mission da approve toraba amount ching ji sinarga koina program masi sathajagani masi palliative care haibasi kaino haibada kana gumba mi mana phamungda tadun lerba siramdai oiraba cancer gumba ICIB gumba paralysis gumba tawna phamungda tadun lerba mi se kamaina पुंसिगी महावसे खंगलगा सिरमदाय भावबा नुंगाइना सिगिबा हाइबतारे मदुना यखोइना केयर मसी लौनबगी केयर तौनबगी अदुगुंबा अनोबा सिस्टम अमनि मसी.
President of Palliative Care Society Imphal, Dr. K.H. Palin, said the conference is organized to improve the quality of life of patients of serious chronic fatal illness and to help them live with dignity and self-esteem. He said it is important to raise awareness on palliative care among the youth of the society. Palin said there can be hindrance in the development of the society if the youths have low regard for human value system. He said PCSI aims at providing palliative care training to 50 trainees to make the program a success in 5 to 10 years. President of IMA Manipur State Chapter, Dr. K. Sulochana, and Secretary PCSI, Dr. S. Jugindro were among those present at the conference.
Hojik society de la younger generation में हमसे value system जो हौजिक तक तंबी हो तब तारगदी अकोई हौजिक पृथ्वी वैना मियोई बगी human value system मांगथर अपनी ना हौजिक अकोई ना तौरीबा movement से ngसागी लिसिंग तारा सिगी दराय question से लाइस नत्ते अकोई पुनः मक्सी अकोई इशागी अकोई लाइरिबा मी खुदी मुना थेंगनगदबा the date aduga end of life si thengnagadaba ngakdani adugi preparation ni aduna let us be selfish, let us prepare for ourselves. Sigi je hojik tagi hona koina mind se si tamhoutra taragadi akhoi future da yamna waba adu oidoni adu laibu fadana Manipur da palliative care gi movement la ise India gi oina state khudi makta sumaina web laite adu Manipur da laibu fadana sigi web se lakre chai hum sore.
The 1970 batch of Tirumala Devasam Medical College TDMC Kerala donated rupees 1.5 lakh to Ramgailong village of development for tourism in the village. Members of the TDMC donated amount to Secretary of Tourism Development Society Langol. Secretary of Ramgailong, Aking Gangme, expresses gratitude to the doctors for extending help to the village for developing tourism. The 3-day-old cease work strike by All Manipur Petroleum Products and Transporters Association and All Manipur Petroleum Products Drivers Association has been called off. The decision to suspend the cease work was taken after the government and IOC told the representatives of the two associations that their demands will be discussed. Talking to media persons near Sangakpam IOC Old Depot, Secretary of All Manipur Petroleum Products and Transporters Association, Ahong Sangbam Tampayai said the cease work was called to protest against the IOC tender, which affects the interests of the two associations. He said they decided to call off the strike after the IOC and government assured them that it will look into the matter.
15 years life expand hoiba gari amagi leiriba gari mayam ji Manipur da cheliba titi long supper leiriba titi mayam ji IOC gi nom samna new brand hoiba ano gari singsina loina hapchalakpa matamda ari ba koina hana dagi chenna leiriba gari loina inthoraga khalaktabagi yabagi chance ma yamna wangba strike se hando aduga koina manungda akoi yanana ba noina pami potu government side su adagi IOC side su Kanaraga, Tausi, Noi, Nasi, Strike, Noi Handu, Hybridagi, Handuk Sabani.
It's time for a small commercial break. Today is Constitution Day. We will back with the celebration of the day. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Today is Constitution Day. On this day in 1949, the Constitution was adopted and it came into force on January 26, 1950, marking the beginning of a new era in the history of India. From 2015, the government is observing November 26 as Constitution Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a tweet said, "The nation salutes the great women and men who gave India a constitution that it is proud of." The HRD Ministry has launched a digital signature campaign to generate awareness on fundamental duties enshrined in the Constitution. People can join the campaign by filing a form online. The University Grants Commission has asked educational bodies to read out the preamble and fundamental duties in morning assembly and arrange for one lecture on the importance of fundamental duties. The nation today remembers the martyrs of the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks on its 9th anniversary today. On this day in 2008, then Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists carried out a series of coordinated shooting and bombing attacks across Mumbai lasting 4 days. 164 people, including 18 police officers and 2 NSG commandos, were killed and more than 300 injured. Various events have been organized today in the memory of the martyrs of the attacks. Mumbai police have organized salutation ceremony at Martyrs Memorial in Marine Lines. Maharashtra Governor Vidyasagar Rao, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Minister of Police officials and family members of martyrs will pay homage to those who were killed in the attack. President Ramnath Kovind paid tribute to the martyrs of the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. In a tweet, President Kovind said on the 9th anniversary of the attacks, the nation mourns with the families that lost their dear ones and recalls with gratitude the security personnel who gave their lives in the battle against evil. People today found a dead body floating in the Aral River. The body was discovered at Ayangpali Makha Thambalkhong near the bridge this morning around 9. The Imphal East Police fished out the body from the water and deposited it to RIMS morgue. Thangmaiban United Club TUC distributed stickers with serial numbers to passenger auto rickshaw plying in and around Thangmaiban at Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai today. The club aims at limiting the number of passenger auto rickshaws to reduce the traffic volume and air pollution in the state. The stickers were distributed to about 150 auto rickshaws which are in service in 9 different roads in Thangmaiban constituency. Humpun Nepal, a poetry book by renowned Manipuri poet Thangjam Ibopishak in journalism and its relationship with Manipuri literature and culture, a book by Professor Nongmaithim Tombi, were released today at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall at Old Assembly Road. The 11th edition of Mapao Journal, published by Publication Division of Mapao, was also released at the event. A 52-member Zuko trekking expedition team left Imphal yesterday from Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA Minutong. The team consists of 34 men and 6 women and senior instructor from MMTA and Rajend. The team en route to Zuko will hike through Imepi Tumai, halt a night in the Hebbu range and pass through to Cave Ridge. The team will study the natural conditions and beauty of Zuko Valley before returning on the 28th of this month. Tribal Affairs and Health Minister N.K. Ashi flagged off the expedition. FC Imphal City have entered the semi-finals of the 15 Administrators Challenge Cup Under 17 All India Football Tournament organized by Youth Affairs and Sports, Chandigarh. The tournament kicked off November 22nd. In a quarter-final match played today at Sector 42 Chandigarh Sports Complex, FC Imphal City beat Baichung Bhutia Football School 2-1. For FC Imphal City, Khaidam Boinau and Mohammad Rauf netted 1 goal each in the 59th and 69th minute of the match. FC Imphal City and Chandigarh Football Academy will lock horns in the semi-final match at Chandigarh Sports Complex on November 28. FC Imphal City will also take part in the I-League Under 15. IPS Kanchipur have won the Reliance Foundation Football Tournament held at Thao Ground, YWC Ground and Wangjing Sports Stadium. In the final match, IPS Kanchipur beat Emmanuel English Academy Yangang Pokpi 5-3 in a penalty shootout and will take part in Reliance Foundation Championship to be held at Shillong. 38 teams took part in the tournament. The 20th Sub-Junior, the 21st Junior and 22nd Senior State Level Weightlifting Championship kicked off yesterday at Sai SAG Hall, Kuman Lampak. In 50 kg Sub-Junior Boys event held yesterday as Naresh backed gold by lifting 155 kg while CH Rishikanta backed gold in both 56 kg junior boy and senior man lifting a total of 240 kg. In 44 kg sub-junior girls, K. Omila won gold by lifting 124 kg while P. Ganga backed gold in 48 kg junior girls by lifting 150 kg. The closing event of the championship will be held this evening. Paunam Lili Chenu, who bagged silver medal in compound team event at World Archery Championship for the first time in the history of India, was felicitated today. Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, felicitated Lili at an event held at Changangai, Awang Laikai. Paunam Lili from Soyam Lairak in Patsoi constituency has bagged 3 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze so far. The long-standing differences between Manipur Chess Association MCA and ad hoc committee under All India has been resolved. The two sport bodies have merged as Manipur Chess Association after a meeting held at Nainashang Community Hall, Tera, Laukrakpam, Laikai today. MCA President and Samarjit said as the two sport bodies have merged, the game will develop in the state. Hockey Union Lariging Bamlaikai congratulated Janamthabam Napoleon on being selected as a neutral umpire for the 3rd Men's Asian Challenge tournament to be organized by Asian Hockey Federation at Yangon, Myanmar from November 25th to December 3rd. Janamthabam Napoleon is working as a coach at Sport Authority of India, Guwahati on contract basis. Khetri Mayum Tilotama, who backed silver at the Ahmet Komert International Boxing Tournament in Turkey, was felicitated by Meitei Council More at its office at More today. Tilotama is from Kuatha village in Tengnopal district. Boxing coach Ibomcha, SP Tengnopal Dr. S. Ibomcha, members of the councils and students took part in the event. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren announces that Cherry Blossom Festival and Flower Festival in Mao will be an integral part of the Sangai Festival. Minister Radheshyam stresses importance of NCC in shaping the future of the youth. Minister Karam Shyam takes part in cyclothon to spread the message of importance of conserving fossil fuels. And school principal shot dead in Kangpokpi. Kuki Students Organization urges government to arrest the culprits in 24 hours.